Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome to this channel. I just got back from a P40 series event in Singapore, and I was provided this P40 as a review set. So without further ado, I would like to share with you what's inside this box. So as you can see, it's a brand new set. Let me do the unboxing. This is the set, a P40. Okay, the first impression is it has a huge bump. We'll go to that later. So inside this box, let's go fast. I think you have seen so many of the unboxing already. So you have this little device for you to pick up the SIM card, and you have the charger. And this charger, if I'm not wrong, is just a 20 something watt charger. I don't know if I can zoom in to see clearly or not. Okay, it says 22.5 watt maximum. So this is a 22.5 watt charger. And over here, very simple, a USB-C cable and USB-C earphones. And that's about it. As mentioned, this is a review set, so I don't think there's anything inside here. Normally you will see, if I'm not wrong, you will see a silicone case, and also, if I'm not wrong, there will be some documentation. But right now, this is a review set, there's nothing in it. Back to the main star of this unboxing, that is the P40 right here. It's a blue color, so let me open it out. Again, you can see clearly over here. Let me zoom in. Not for sale, not for sale. So this is a review unit. Okay, and obviously I mentioned the camera bump, right? So this is the camera bump that I'm talking about. It has a triple camera settings, 1, 2, 3, and a flash. And on the front side, you can see that it has a fixed focus. Of course, you can't see it's a fixed focus, but based on the spec, it has a fixed focus camera, a 32 megapixel camera, and a TOF camera on the front. And between these two, I believe is a IR sensor for face unlocking. So overall, it's a very simple design. Let me see. Oh, there's a protection cover. So let me take it out because I'm going to review it anyway. So you can see that this is without any protection, and if you notice, it's not a curve or not a waterfall kind of design. Okay, it's not a, but on the hand itself, it feels quite solid. And on the side itself, you don't see anything over here. There's no button, nothing at all. And on this side, you can see that it has a volume switch or rocker switch. Okay, let me zoom in. A volume rocker switch, and also a power on off switch. And again, the most significant thing you can see from here is the bump on the cameras. And on the front, nothing much that you can see. On the bottom itself, okay, let me zoom in again. Okay, on the bottom itself, you can see that it has a speaker grill, USB port C, microphones, a SIM card slot, and that is about it for the unboxing. Wait, before you go, let me show you something interesting on the P40 series. Okay, this is a very simple picture with one passerby. So one of the features that you can use on the P40 is to remove this passerby. So they have this thing called the golden snap, whereby you can actually do two things. One is the passerby removal, and the other one is the reflection reduction. So let me show you both of them. Okay, let's go back to this picture whereby you can see a passerby. What I can do is I go to edit, press the edit, and you can see there's a feature called the passerby, remove passerby. So once you press on it, it'll process it, and that's it. The passerby has been removed. So save the picture if you want to have the final product, and that is about it. Easy, right? Now let's go on to the next feature, which is the reflection remover. Again, actually this is a vertical picture. Once you have taken the picture, right, you just go to the edit again, and there should be a reflection remover option. Press on it, you'll process, and then you can see the difference. So again, remember to save the picture. Okay, remember to save it, and then let me show you the difference before and after. So let's go to the before picture, and this after picture. There's a slight difference. Okay, it will not remove everything, but at least it will show you the differences. That is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.